Hello everyone, welcome to lanretsolutions. In this tutorial we are going to be looking at question 5 of English language paper 1 May-June WASSCE 2008. Let's kick off and move on. Our question states that the question 5 states that write a story to illustrate the saying the early bird catches the worm. Now, these were the following observation of WAEC on that question. The candidate is required to write on the story which illustrates the saying the early bird catches the worm. In many cases, the attempt on this question did not show any understanding of the saying. That is the observation of WAEC. Now, let me give some hints on how to answer question number 5. Make sure your essay is up to 450 words. Then, this is a narrative essay. You must know that. It is a narrative essay. Then thirdly, give the story a suitable title. Don't use the same saying the early bird catches the worm as the title of your story. Make sure you understand the meaning of the saying before answering the question. Make sure. Then the story should be interesting, that will attract the reader's attention. That is another thing you must make sure. You must also make sure you are creative about your writing. The story should be real or imaginary. You can try to remember a real scene or a real story that portrays the saying, or you imagine one that could portray that saying. Then do not make use of animal characters to tell your story. Note this. Use human characters. The reason being that WAEC does not reckon with animal characters, so that could make you to lose some marks. So that so if you want to have your full mark, try to make use of human characters. This is where I'll be drawing the curtain on question number 5 of WAEC 2008 paper 1. If you want to ask us more questions or make more inquiries, you can send an email to us on lanretsolutions@gmail.com. If you want the text version of this question, you can visit the link on the screen. Then if you want to get past questions and solutions for different subjects as a text file, you can visit our blog, which is lanretsolutions.blogspot.com. Thank you for your time. See you in the next year's paper. Bye bye.